for when this is. Hey guys, remember the other day I showed you how to make mugs with paper mugs? Well, I thought it would be a cool and fun thing to do. Make a mug for your kid, your little girl. If the day is boring, or if it's raining outside, or if you don't have anything else to do, and this will be fun for mom and for the daughter. I've already made a few, but I'm going to show you again once more how I made this mug. This is on the construction paper. Excuse me, construction paper, glue, and scissors. That's all we need, and of course tape. You can measure this if you want. I didn't measure mine, but I kind of estimate the size I want my mug to be. So I just cut out a strip of green paper, and I'm going to roll it around, and I'm going to add a little bit of this glue to get to one flap, or one side of the flap. Now I'm going to have to make my bottom. I want to make sure this is secure and stick and stuck together very well. So I'm just going to use a small piece of my tape, and I'm going to put it right on the edge that I used the glue on, which is the same end. There's my tape. Okay, and okay, so now I need a bottom to fit this. So I'm going to have to cut a round piece, but before I cut it round, I'm going to cut it square. And I can estimate about the size. If you want to, you can put the cup on top of the paper and then cut your square. So when you cut your square, you can fit it again. And when you fit that again, when your square in your mug measures up, what you want to do is take the glue, leave leave this side of the mug there, take the glue and go around the inside of the mug to the bottom. Of course, you're going to need 2 hands to do this, but I'm using one because I really want to show you how to do this. You can't see the inside, but I'm going to show it to you. I'm going around and around and around. Now this way my glue can stick to the rim of my this is going to be the bottom of my mug. And I'm going to show you, because this is how it's going to look. See my glue? That's the bottom of our mug. And now while this is drying, what I can do is cut my bottom, the bottom of my mug, cut it round. Okay, I'm almost done. Now the cup is gonna, the top part of the cup is gonna move, and you're just gonna have to put it right back on, fit it right back on, and this makes it easier for it's okay if you have some left over, just cut them, like the edges, a little piece like that. This is gonna make the bottom of our cup. So when we make the bottom, we can put it down, then we can let that dry. So it's just, that's the bottom of our mug. That's the edge of our mug, rim of our mug, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to make the handle of our cup, of our mug. But I have just enough paper here. I can do that. You can either glue, or you can tape. To me, taping would be better. Gluing would keep it together. If you want to, you can cut ridges to make your cup. We can do that another time. So right now I'm just going to take 2 pieces of tape, one for the bottom, and this is going to be, okay, our flap is going to go like this. Our flap is going to go just like this on our mug, just like that. And okay, so the tape is going to have to go on the inside. You can flip it either way if you want to. I'm going to flip this on the other side. I'm going to fold the flaps back, but the tape side is going to have to be on the inside of our mug handle. Okay, it's not yet glued yet, that's why it keeps falling down, but I just did this just to show you what I've already done with my set of mugs. Okay, and there's our mug. There's a top, bottom, and our handle. The bottom, sorry, the bottom is just not, I keep moving it, that's why it's not glued yet. But it depends on what kind of glue you have too. If I use a thicker glue, it would be more stable. Okay, and I showed you this mug. I made this one also a few minutes ago. This could be your mom mug, and I made 3 others, and they could be your kids mug. Now I'm going to need a handle. I'm going to need one more handle for this one. I can do that later, but right now I have 2 more that I need to finish up. So I bought the stickers that's on my other mugs, and this, like I said, this is a fun way for mom and daughter to connect, to do fun things together, and she'll feel like she's doing a big girl thing. And of course you and your kid could have tea time, happy time, or whatnot. But these are our finished products. This is our mug. Once again, I thank you for joining me, and you have a blessed day.